The old church is still there. They used to worship in from 1600 and something. That's an old building. Around here, if we have a building that's 100 years old, we think that's something. But over there, 200 or 300 years old is nothing.
10 kilohertz wide on my old-fashioned band scope. I was about 12 kilohertz away, and this guy's splattering all over the place, and I could hear him. So I wandered up to see who he was. I still don't know. Oh my God, really? Is that the state of ham radio today? I've been tempted to do a bitch vid about linear amplifiers. What is happening with linear amplifiers? Well, noobs are being told they need one to get on the air, even if they want to get on FT8. I've seen it on eHam. People asking what they need to get on the air. I've seen it in other sites, and almost without fail, the answer includes an amplifier. And I can't tell you how many times every single day, tuning across the bands, you hear these people running linears and they sound crunchy. Crunchy. Their signal is strong. It's up there, but you can barely understand them. It sounds like they're breaking up like a mic line with an intermittent connection. The ramp is falling apart. It's crumbling. You know what I mean? The power supply in the amp is crumbling oh my God. And so many hams, they have no clue what they're doing with a linear amplifier. A technical repository of experts in times of need? Shit, today's hams are 8 years old. What are you going to do with an 8-year-old kid in time of need? Give them time out and send them to bed an hour early? Jesus Christ. I'm starting to get pissed off. I'm starting to not want my license back. I do. But if the FCC just never decides to take action, if the FCC just outright fucks me, that's fine. That's fine. Because honestly, what I'm hearing here is no different than what you'd hear on channel 38 or channel 16 or channel 5 or any of the other channels on the 11 meter band. That's what ham radio is today. I was going to call them a bunch of CBers, but man, CBers know how to adjust their linear amplifiers. They really do. CBers are true radio enthusiasts. CBers make... Oh, by the way, that's just a little bag of hardware if you guys are trying to see what it is. You didn't deserve all that. CBers are real radio enthusiasts. HF radio enthusiasts. Half the hams I'm hearing to these days are idiots. I'm truly becoming Bob, the bitter old bastard. Hey, goddamn bands ain't what they used to be. An angry rant from Uncle Blozo, 'cause I'm pissed off at him. 73. Be well.